Mario, and I'm the inventor of the Triforce carpet stretching system. What I'm trying to replace with this tool is carpet tubes as well as a knee kicker. You don't use a knee kicker at all because this tool is responsible for a great deal of injury every year, a lot of lost time in work, and also permanent injury. This is a bad choice. You don't need this tool at all. This is the Carpet Frog. It uses a parallelogram, and it attaches to the carpet, and it uses force vectors that are redirected. It kind of works almost like a reverse bow action. The tool actually springs outward and diverts the backward force across or laterally. That's how it works. So it just, when I put down on the handle, it springs out like this, and then the carpet pulls through the stretcher. I'll demonstrate that for you. Again, never crank a stretcher. You just push down on the handle, you feel the carpet. If you're able to feel the carpet, you're able to stretch consistently all around the room, and it eliminates restretching. This is how you use a stretcher. You simply kneel on this, push down on the handle, and the carpet moves. It's that simple. And you go to release it. No cranking here. Just push the handle down. Real simple. And release. As I release, the impression from the back kickback goes completely out because the stretcher moves back in and forward at the same time, and these bubbles come out automatically instantly. And then also you will be re-stretching over this many times before you complete the stretching operation. Foolproof, easy to use, just use it right. Thank you.